In the realm of bespoke vehicles that combine luxury with unparalleled security, Rezvani Motors has carved out a niche for itself with the introduction of the Arsenal SUV. Born from the guts of a Cadillac Escalade, this formidable machine redefines what it means to blend opulence with military-grade protection, offering discerning clients a vehicle that is as imposing as it is exclusive. The Arsenal SUV represents a fusion of automotive engineering prowess and innovative design. Starting with the robust platform of the Cadillac Escalade, Rezvani engineers have meticulously reimagined and reinforced every aspect of the vehicle to meet stringent security standards without compromising on comfort or performance. At the core of the Arsenal SUV's appeal lies its unmatched level of protection. Built to withstand ballistic threats, explosive devices, and unauthorized intrusion, this vehicle employs advanced armor plating, bullet-resistant glass, and military-grade composite materials to create a safe haven for its occupants. Whether navigating urban streets or traversing rugged terrain, occupants can rest assured knowing that they are shielded by one of the most secure vehicles on the market. Beyond its formidable defenses, the Arsenal SUV exudes an air of sophistication and luxury. The interior is a sanctuary of comfort and refinement, featuring premium materials, bespoke craftsmanship, and state-of-the-art amenities that cater to the discerning tastes of its clientele. From hand-stitched leather upholstery to cutting-edge infotainment systems, every detail is designed to enhance the driving experience while maintaining an uncompromising commitment to security. Performance-wise, the Arsenal SUV delivers robust capabilities befitting its commanding presence. Powered by a range of potent engine options, including V8 and supercharged variants, it offers ample power and torque to conquer any terrain with ease. Advanced suspension systems ensure a smooth ride, while intelligent drivetrain configurations provide optimal traction and stability in diverse driving conditions. Visually, the Arsenal SUV commands attention with its bold exterior styling and imposing stance. Customizable options allow clients to personalize their vehicle, from aggressive body kits to distinctive paint finishes that reflect individual tastes and preferences. LED lighting accents and aerodynamic enhancements further enhance its visual appeal, ensuring that the Arsenal SUV stands out on both city streets and off-road adventures. In summary, the Rezvani Arsenal SUV epitomizes the intersection of luxury, security, and automotive excellence. By transforming the Cadillac Escalade into a fortress on wheels, Rezvani Motors has created a vehicle that appeals to high-profile individuals who prioritize safety without compromising on style or performance. As the demand for armored vehicles continues to grow globally, the Arsenal SUV sets a new standard for bespoke craftsmanship and security innovation. It offers a glimpse into the future of personal protection vehicles, where luxury meets resilience in a seamless blend of form and function. For those seeking the ultimate in exclusivity and security, the Rezvani Arsenal SUV stands as a testament to ingenuity in craftsmanship, offering a rare opportunity to experience automotive engineering at its most formidable and refined.